Good morning, guys. Bali, day 2 ko dito sa Japan ngayon. So, today, pupunta ako sa Mount Fuji. So, magbe-breakfast muna ako, guys. So, see you na breakfast. Alright. Okay. See you. Good morning, guys. So, yeah, I'm walking now, going to Shinjuku Station. It's like 20 minutes walk. I can ride train there, but I rather walk. It's morning. A good exercise. So, yeah. All right. So hey guys, I'm here at Meet Up location there. I'm waiting for my bus. My bus is not until 8:20, so I'm like 30 minutes early. But it's better early than, than late. So, and I don't know the place, so I walk early. It's a good exercise also for me. So yeah, I'm here, excited for Mount Fuji, guys.
This nation, and Fuji is a volcano, and as well at present it is still active. The latest eruption was about 300. 您需要自己走过去。For the members who would like to visit Hongqiu Doli, for members who would like to visit Hongqiu Doli, please come back to the Shima Yoshida station in 1 hour. Because bus cannot arrive there, I will tell you how to get access to the Hongqiu Doli, and you can walk there by yourself and you can take photos and come back. Arrangement for the first stop. As well as in each July and August, you can apply to climb to the top of the Fuji. So I think that it's about 208 meters high of the little mountain.
I think we'll have enough time.
We're at first stop, guys.
11:30 Shima Yoshida Station.
Shima Station.
你到山脚就有厕所可以用。
Okay lang?
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going upstairs, guys. Here to the observation deck. So Japanese maple tree. Look at the Japanese maple tree.
Sa'yo lahat mo? Dito ka. Dapat sa baba.
We made it in our observation deck. Yeah.
Magaling lang pa baba. Hindi ka kayanin namin.
It's busy. So we're going up to 300 steps. I'm out of breath already. It's not even halfway, I guess. A good workout. Oh, there's 300 stairs from down there. I did it. I made it. So we're here now in a little temple, mini temple here. So So there's a Mount Fuji over there.
Oh, Lord.
We are in an observation area.
Okay.
So yeah, there's lots of people taking picture there.
Small please. You can be in the side, okay?
Oo, wag na. Oo. Parehas ang... Oo. Ang ganda, diba?
Hindi pa. Yung paano.
Look, the Mount Fuji guys over there. And there's a castle there. Castle ba tawag doon? I think so. Yeah. Alright. So nice. Okay. That's our first stop. And matcha ice cream here in Japan. So good.
Ayoko na. No thanks. Photo bomb!
Oh! Ice cream! Ang ganda na ito. Oh.
Ayoko na, ayoko.
Abuka. Train station here. Babalik na sa bus.
卡，这道门槛并不高，高呢要尽可能保持生鱼片的水分，所以说呢，在下一站呢，沿着村庄的外围我们走进去，那这条路呢可以同时到达那家日料店，还有到达村庄的中心。那这样无论您是想去那家日料店，还是想去村庄里面吃那些小吃，就都可以了。那距离非常近。 我们在下一站总共也是待1个半小时，大家可以自由分配时间。然后呢，那边有一个那边我。
So we are going to the second stop of our tour, like a lake. Lake in Canada, in Japan. I kept saying Canada. It's Japan. Ano napili mo? I got this mochi. Mainit po. Ayan. In fairness, masarap. Masarap kasi anong mainit. Oh, eto yung Mount Fuji, oh. See that Mount Fuji over here. Utot yan na marami. Wala na dyan, wala nang daanan. Yeah, wala nang daanan. Oh, may ano pala sila dyan, may ATM? Oo. Wow. So we're going back, guys, to the bus for our next stop. So there's a corn. Huh? So we are here at Lake Kawagoshiko, our last stop for today.
Mas maganda ito o yun? Nasasabi na ito. Ito? Ha, Josie? Ito
Ha?
ba yun? 用哪一个 APP 啊？这个啊，我不是用这个，我用美图秀秀。我觉得这个美图秀秀。
不是你放到前面来，你主要前面来。
Sunod naman ako sa'yo. Akala ko kung saan ka pupunta. Ayan, dyan may it smells good, the rose. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful over there.
その撮り方が良かった。Hello! Appel du jour, bonjour! Comment tu vas? Ouais. Oh là là, c'est l'un des plus beaux jours de ma vie.
Lake Kawagochiko. And Mount Fuji is there.
真的，跟早上那个中午一样。
Bye Kawagoshiko. See you again next time.
我觉得情况非常好的一天了。那我们就是6点的话，大概能回到新宿。我们会回到早上我们集合的那个。Because you know in ancient time, rice is used as currency in ancient time. So on your back. So Inari means that brick rice on your back. So it means the god for wealth in Japan culture. So for the Inari Jinja, it is a shrine for the
We're done with our tour for today. Going back to hotel. Ang busy. Ayun si Godzilla. Nasaan na? Ayun. So Godzilla is over there. Para alam nilang ako nga yung ano dito. Ay, ang ganda. Sira-sira.
I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand.